Look around this room. The lion is not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest, yet he commands the entire kingdom. It's all about mentality. When the elephant sees a giant obstacle, he thinks run. When the sovereign predator sees that exact same obstacle, he thinks opportunity. You can be surrounded by doubt, critics, and impossible odds, yet you dominate because of the fire. If you need someone to clap for you to stay motivated, you are weak. When you are truly self-driven, you execute regardless. Amateurs only chase the reward. True leaders fall in love with the grueling, unglamorous grind every single day. When you hunt with conviction, you do not punch a clock. You stay in the arena until the objective is secured. When the pressure rises, someone has to bend. Look at me. Make sure you are the one that never breaks. Real mastery is not chaotic noise. It is the calm, invincible peace of knowing no storm can shake your core. Claim your territory. Master your mind. Stand tall and lead your life like the sovereign king you are.
Never settle for average. Build the sovereign mindset. Subscribe to Minds Atelier and conquer your future.